The Omaha Storm Chasers completed their first homestand of the 2025 season last week, and we have to tell you about the International League Player of the Week, outfielder Drew Waters. In 5 games against Louisville, Waters was 10 for 19 at the plate, scoring 5 runs with 7 RBI. He racked up 2 doubles, a triple, and 2 home runs. One of those homers, and inside the Parker as part of his cycle on Wednesday. That hasn't happened in Major League Baseball since the 1940s, making it a historic achievement for Drew Waters and easy to name him our homestand standout.